zoom it, zoom it. That's what mud bogging is all about, babe. Fucking up your shit. Oh, pooper does.
What the fuck did you just say?
Pooper does.
Really?
Yeah. Awesome. See, I stuck with it. Whoa now. Whoa now. No, I didn't turn this time.
Good. You got that one.
Well, then fuck it. This is why you never drive drunk, girls, okay?
Oh yeah, like they're gonna be driving drunk around a mud pit. Actually, that might be kind of fun. Never mind. I'm a bad influence. Waiting to hear something break. Got smoke coming out of the bottom end.
Yeah, it's just oil on the exhaust.
Oh! Oh! You caught that, right?
Yeah, I'm still going.
Oh, fire! Fire!
Oh, please blow up. Please blow up. Yeah, all of his wires are fucked right now.
Yeah, his engine is screwed. It's on fire. And this is why you don't drive drunk in the mud, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, never drive drunk in the mud pit. This is what happens.
We rolled it and then it caught on fire. Oh. It's not going to be performing in the next race.
No, see, it bent his headers.